Hi girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing a jewelry haul video, and I got this stuff from an online website which is called the Ajio.com. Ajio.com is sourced by Reliance Retail, and I really found good stuff on this website. And right now there is a huge sale going on, and I got this stuff for 50% off. And you can find a variety of clothing and jewelry and other accessories here. Specifically, they have their own brand, the clothing and jewelry, which is actually called the Ajio, and they also have a style which is called the indie, which is the ethnic wear or the ethnic collection of clothing and jewelries. You can really find unique stuff on their website, so I would recommend you guys to go and check out the website, and please check out before the sale ends. So yeah, let's get into the video, and I'll show you the stuff that I'd ordered. So I ordered the stuff on I think on Saturday evening, and I got it delivered on Monday morning. And I ordered very few stuff because I wanted to check the quality of the products first before going on purchasing a very huge quantity. I love most of the stuff. I actually wanted to purchase a lot of stuff, but then I controlled myself and bought only 4 of the products. Also, they have a 30-day return policy, and their customer service is also very good. So this is the package that I received. So it says like the Ajio, and it says Ajio, and yeah, so this is the one that I've received. So it has a very cute box. So this is the box. I really love the box. I mean, I can use it as a jewelry box from now on. The quality is amazing, the cardboard quality, and it has a very nice smell. When you buy a new notebook or a cardboard, it has a different smell, so it's like that. I love the packaging, and each of the products has been packaged into this bubble wrap, and yeah, so this is how it looks. So yes, they also have a small card placed, and it says that this piece of jewelry is best worn with a big smile and a brave heart. So yeah, so this is the card comes along with it. And so I'll start off with the first product. I have just placed order for the 4 products, and this is the first one. This is a ring which is called the Sunflower Blue ring, and this retails for $199, and I got it for 99 rupees, that is 50% off. So the packaging is really very nice. So as I said, it's their own brand which is called the Ajio, and Ajio Blue rings. So this is how the ring looks. So it has this blue stone and the pink beads around it. It is round like sunflower shape, and you can adjust the ring according to your size. I will just wear it and show it to people. Like, yes, this is how it looks, and I really love this ring. It looks very trendy. So there are a lot of rings. I wanted to check the quality, so I just bought one right now. Yes, this is how it looks. So the next product that I purchased is a long chain. I love wearing long chains with my t-shirts or any tops, so I went and bought this like caterpillar butterfly sort of thing. So this is how the pendant looks like. So it is neon colors, so neon pink, neon green, so purple. So it looks very nice, and it's multicolored, so I can wear it with like most of the tops that I have. So yes, and it has this long chain. It can be adjusted according to the length that you want, and it retails for $399, and I got it for $199. So again, this was for 50% off. Yes, this is the one. And the next product, I have bought 2 necklaces. Both of them are very pretty, and they are of different colors. So again, it's in a bubble wrap, and yes, So this is how it looks. So pretty, so pretty. And it retails for like $5.99. So it has this very nice detailings here, and I love the it is completely metallic, and I really like the colors, the stones and beads. It's made of stones and beads, so it's very pretty. And again, it can be adjusted according to the length that you want to have. So this is how it looks on me. It's so pretty. It is completely metallic finish, and I am in love with this. One more close look of this product. So this is how it looks. So this is how pretty it looks. Yeah. So the next product that I have is another necklace again, which is of neon pink, like different shades of pink. I guess you would love this also. It's a crescent moon shaped necklace, and this also retails for $5.99, but I got it for like $2.99. So yes, this is how it looks on me. I hope you guys like it. Please check out their website. They have a lot of jewelry collection at 50% off now. So please go ahead and check it out, and do let me know if you really like the jewelry that I've bought. Please give a like and a thumbs up if you like my video, and subscribe to my channel. This would really encourage me to do more and more videos for you guys out there. And thank you so much for watching the video. Love you guys. Bye bye.